Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, uRonwen Williams, goalkeeper eMamelodi Sundowns, bamnominatile for ama-FIFA Awards, the best FIFA Football Awards 2025, as part of one of the best goalkeepers in the world. Cabanga nje kubo bonke o-goalkeeper abakhona emhlabeni abadlala kuma-league a-different, but-ke ukhona laphana umfowethu as one of the best goalkeepers in the world. Yeah, akusinto encane lena bafethu, into enkulu kakhulu. Mawubheka laphana kuno-goalkeeper be-Liverpool, kuno-goalkeeper be-Real Madrid, kuno-goalkeeper we-Real Madrid, goalkeeper we-Man City, uMendy siyamazi weSenegal, uMartinez wase-Argentina, uManuel Neuer we-Bayern Munich. So goalkeeper be-Atletico, goalkeeper we-Atletico Madrid, we-Arsenal. So this is a big one for yena, but-ke sikhumbule ukuthi last season, is it the season or season ago, bamnominator, wafinish, I think it was outside ku-top 10 or so, and then wakwazi ukuwina ne-best goalkeeper ku-CAF football or e-Africa as a whole. So umhlaba uyaqala ukunothisa like ibhola lase-Africa, noma especially ugoalkeeper wase-Africa. Imagine bam-nominated for lama award, akusiyinto encane bafethu. Goalkeeper baningi kabi emhlabeni ukuthi banothise uRonwen Williams, kusho ukuthi khona into enhle ayenzayo. I wish bemncane bafethu Williams, cause eshuno 30 something, there's no way ukuthi e-Europe baphushe ngempela bafuna ukumsayina, but-ke what a career yakhe seyisekugcineni noma seyifinyelela emaphethelweni, seyifika emaphethelweni, but-ke I mean, yeah, these are the moments that we live for, ukucelebrate one of our own, if akwazi ukuthola lama nominations amakhulu kangaka bafethu. It's not an easy thing. Siyazi ukuthi singayibheka siyithathe for granted, but it's a big thing le Williams ayitholayo for i-recognition ayitholayo laphana ku-FIFA bafethu, not just any organization, but ku-FIFA. Siyazi ukuthi una-33, ngoJanuwari uzoba na-34, so there's no way ukuthi amove overseas, kuzothatha umlingo ukuthi amove. Ucomfortable nakuMamelodi Sundowns, I think uzo-retire khona. But-ke sobona, undisputed number 1 eMamelodi Sundowns, undisputed number 1 yeBafana, goalkeeper important kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. Kufuna singeneni kuma-records wakhe. Dale khona lo muntu lona bafethu, dale vimba ku-SuperSport United. I remember besingamazi mangikhula, bengingamazi no number 2 waku-SuperSport United, because of wafika emncane laphana waqala ukuvimba. There was a season la vimba angaphumuli nokuphumula. Already this season unawo ama-clean sheets awu-6, uconsider amagoli awu-6 kuma-12 appearances. Kunzima for abanye bo-goalkeeper, ngifuna ukuqamba amanga. I mean, it's really hard ukuthi uvimbe nje, ukuthi bavimbe abanye bo-Riyad, abo-February nabanye o-goalkeeper, but-ke uyadeserve umfethu. But-ke siyazi ukuthi i-product yani ye-SuperSport United, a good goalkeeper oncele under, noma ngithi ofunde under uTumeleng Khune. Wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns 2022, une-contract expire ngo-2028 bafowethu. Sikhumbula ukuthi wa-extenda i-contract because iMamelodi Sundowns ibona something formidable kuye, ugoalkeeper important kakhulu eSouth Africa as a whole, and uphinde futhi abe yi-captain uThemba Zwaneme engekho for iMamelodi Sundowns. So he's one of the leaders ebholeni lase-South Africa, umuntu ekumele simhloniphe. I mean, ihlombe bafethu uyalideserve, well deserved umfethu laphana, aqhubeke njalo adlale to the highest level, adelive, inspire goalkeeper base-South Africa abanye abazayo, because ama-moment aso, in fact ebholeni lase-Africa ayikaze yenzeka ukuthi ugoalkeeper odlala e-Africa ku-league yase-Africa, local football, bam-nominated to i-position of this magnitude, ama-awards anje, la yohlala khona now one of the best players in the world kuma-awards. But sobona, I think i-top 10 ezotravela to ama-awards, sobona ukuthi uzofika na ku-top 10 this time around. Last time wafika, even nakuma-Ballon d'Or, bekuwunyaka wakhe last time, but-ke still basamrecognize as the best goalkeeper on the continent. Sewine izinto ey'ningi kakhulu laphana for iMamelodi Sundowns, even naku-SuperSport United uwinile. iMamelodi Sundowns unama-league awu-3, ne-Carling eyodwa, ne-MTN 8, but amanye amakhaphu wawina ku-SuperSport, mhlawumbe sengiyahlanganisa, but yani naku-SuperSport bekuyi-winning team, siyayikhumbula, bekuyi-team nje e-right kakhulu. Yeah man, u-goalkeeper o-right kakhulu, goalkeeper important kakhulu. straight from e-PE bafowethu, the best in the country. Ufuna ukungena kuma-records wakhe la ukuthi ama-clean sheets wakhe awungakhi, cause ufunde njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ufunde yabo khona into enokushiwo uHugo Broos ukuthi bafuna ugolikipa omncane ozokwazi ukuba under Ronwen Williams afunde. Ziningi izinto ongazifunda-ke around ogolikipa abane-experience ebholeni. Singeneni ku-record lakhe bafowethu, lo muntu une-record elihle kakhulu yo. Ku-Betway Premiership kusase-Absa whatever, udlala amagame awu-300 and lokhu njani and 54. Unama-clean sheets bafowethu awu-154. That's like big, that's massive. Even naku-CAF Champions League unama-clean sheets awu-16, udlala amagame awu-34. Ku-MTN 8 unama-clean sheets awu-13, udlala amagame awu-32. Ku-Carling Knockout unama-clean sheets awu-10, udlala amagame awu-25. Ku-Nedbank Cup unama-clean sheets awu-9. Naku-Confederations Cup unama-clean sheets awu-6, udlala amagame awu-13. Sikhumbule ukuthi bedlala kuphi? Ku-SuperSport United that time. Guess what? Even naku-Club World Cup. Naku-Club World Cup lo muntu lo bafowethu. Unama-clean sheets ku-Club World Cup. La bebadlala nama-best teams in the world. For ilokhu njana for kuBafana Bafana ke sedlalile for some time nakhona kuBafana Bafana unama-clean sheets impressive. I mean, what a keeper. Yeah, what a goalkeeper. KuBafana Bafana ama-clean sheets wakhe awu-23, udlala ama-match awu-55. So kuzoba nzima ukuthi abanye ogolikipa bamreplace. Qale laphana ukufika kuBafana Bafana 2013. How many years back? Cabanga bafowethu, how many years back? That was like 12 years back. Imagine kuBafana Bafana. Eloke nje eqhubeka abehambuli bamselect bangamselect. Isikhathi sakhe saze safika la qala ukuba khona sebhenchini kakhulu around buma 2015 waqhubeka wakhula ke from lapho. Beloke esebhenchini for isikhathi esithi iminyaka bafowethu engadlali lapha kuBafana Bafana. Iminyaka uqale ukudlala kuBafana Bafana kahle, I think it was around 2019 kula qala ukudlala khona. Aqala ukudlala simbone ngempela ukuthi okay nangu uyadlala uWilliams uyadlala. It was only 2019. Kusho ukuthi 6 years in the making. Walinda to la akhona namhlanje. I mean, I think istory sakhe singa-inspire abantu abaningi ukufunda ukuthi uyalinda mfethu. Cabanga ulinde 6 years umfethu la ukuze afike la khona namhlanje ukuthi a-recognize umhlaba wonke, but azange alilahle ithemba. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafowethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.